Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hey guys, I'm Radishan here and welcome to my new video. So today I'm gonna start a new course. The name is Mathematical Foundation for Computer Science. Okay, in this course we'll discuss about matrix, set theory, mathematical logic, trees, graphs, all the things. So mainly it focuses on the mathematical applications related to computer science. So in this video we will start with the matrix and determinants of today matrix and just discuss about what is matrix and different type of matrix, just an introduction episode. Okay, thank you, I need your support, love you all. So guys, let's start our course. Here we have the mathematical foundation for computer science. Some set of markers, then duster, eraser. Okay. So in this video, in this course, we'll discuss about different aspects of mathematics which is relatable to computer science. So the first section will be about the matrix, determinants, and the other side. Maybe consider it as a chapter. We'll come across a lot of other things like set theory, graph, all trees, all the things. So first will be matrix, and in computer science we represent data as matrix. So and it is having a useful application in image processing, all the things. Matrix. Okay, we can represent data as matrix, and equations are determinants, and there are other things like there's some inverse of the matrix. It can be used to solve the linear equations, all the things. So we'll start first. Just this is an introduction video, and we'll discuss about the matrix and what the type of matrix, all the things. Here we have the shadow, and it sucks. It always sucks. I don't know why, but it always sucks. So matrix, the basic definition of matrix is just a rectangular table of elements, and maybe abstract quantities which can be multiplied, and like that. Maybe I'll show an example of matrix, and first with the correct definition of matrix. Just think that m and n are two numbers, and they are element of z plus means set of positive integers. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and m and if m and n element of means m and n are two positive integers, then m by n matrix will be m by n. It will read as m by n, not m into n. Okay, will be a 1 1, a 1 2, etc. a 1 n, a 2 1, a 2 2, etc. a 2 n, etc. etc. a m1, a m2, etc. a mn. M rows, n columns. Here we can see that m and n two elements, two numbers, element of positive integers, and then an m by n. The order will be this is the order of matrix. Order. This is the order. M by n matrix will be like this. Okay, and here we have it is having m rows and n columns, and the general term is aij. Aij is the general term. We need this. that's all about the metrics and all the things. This is metrics, and the order of metrics is m by n. A is a general element, and if m equal n, just think that m is equal to n. M equal n. Then this matrix will be a square matrix. Square matrix. We can correct it as n columns and n rows and n columns, n1, n2, etc. n. So this is a square matrix, and in the case of square matrix we have something more. In the case of square matrix, the elements A11, A22, A33, etc., ANN are called diagonal elements. They are called diagonal. These elements are called diagonal elements. Okay. Then we have something more. If a matrix only contains a row, it is called row matrix. 2, 5, 9, 11. Row matrix. And it is having only one column. No rows. It will be column matrix. This is row matrix and this is column matrix. Column matrix, row matrix. So let's move on to the type of matrix. Type of matrices. The first type is diagonal matrix. The first type is diagonal matrix. So in the case of diagonal matrix, we know that Aij is a general term, right? Aij is a general term, and Aij is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. I show a practice. In the case, Aij is a general element. I is the number of row, and ith row and the jth column. And if I is not equal to means that all the elements except the diagonal elements, this in the diagonal matrix will be the square. A square matrix will be diagonal matrix. No, okay. A square matrix will be a diagonal matrix if Aij is equal to 0 when I is not equal j. Means all the elements except the diagonal elements are 0. I'll show an example of diagonal matrix. Here we have 5, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 9. So all elements except the diagonal elements are 0. It's a diagonal matrix. So the next category, triangular matrix. So we have triangular matrix, and it is further divided into lower triangular and then upper triangular. I'll show triangular matrix. 0, 1, 9, 0, 0. If the elements below the diagonal line, this is the diagonal line, right? If all the elements below the diagonal line are 0, then it is called upper triangle. This is in the upper part will be like a triangle, right? That's why this is upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. This is upper triangle. Then the next type is lower triangle, just opposite. So this is the diagonal line. So all the elements above the diagonal line are 0. Then this is lower triangular matrix. Lower BR triangular matrix. Okay with that? Okay. The next category, scalar matrix. So diagonal matrix will become a scalar matrix when all the diagonal elements are same. Just that's only the definition. Just give some examples. Given two matrices, and we can see that diagonal elements are same, all the diagonal elements are same, right? So this is scalar matrix. Then the next category is unit matrix or identity matrix. Matrix or identity out of ink. Identity matrix, and it's a scalar matrix where all the diagonal elements are 1. Very simple. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and the order is, what is the order of this matrix? 3. If m rows, let's consider a matrix with m rows and n columns, the order will be m by n. In this case, 3 rows and 3 columns, so the order is 3 by 3. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 unit matrix or identity matrix. It's raining outside. I hate when it is raining. As raining, I have to apply more noise reduction to the video. I hope the sound is perfect. So I just need to finish this video. Hello. Zero matrix or null matrix. Very simple. All the elements are 0. Then 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. The null matrix of order 3 by 3. Then 2 by 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's all, guys. So, it was just an introduction video regarding matrix. So, first matrix and the type of matrix. The next class, next episode, we will discuss about determinants and all that things. So, thanks for watching this video. I love you all.